was Christmas, and I just finished opening up all my presents, and boy, look at this. That's just a big hot mess. And my parents are working on an iPad that I got. But in this video, I am opening up 6 mini brand balls. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to do it, but I can do as much as I can. So I got 2 Series 2, 2 regular, and 2 toy. I'm going to do the regular Series 2 and then the toys. And my cat is playing with his stuff that he got for Christmas. Alright, so let's start off with, I actually got 10 mini brand balls, but I already opened 2 up today.
There's another one over here.
There is?
Yeah, on the floor.
Maybe 7.
Oh, I got it. Put on Chandler 5.
Alright, so we got another one. Alright, let's crack into these. Hi, buddy. No, this isn't a toy for you. Here, you got something just similar with it.
Merry Christmas, my love.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Like yourself.
Merry Christmas.
I love it all. I can't wait to make Chinese chicken in my wok. Chandler wants to get in on that ball.
You have something just similar. Say hi.
You want your
Yeah.
ball, Chandler?
These things are so hard to open. I got it.
Chandler. Chandler.
Oh, that, buddy.
Chandler.
Look at that. He's like, what should I do?
Come on, go get it. Look at the ball. Get that ball.
Ooh, all right. Why is there so much plastic? All right. Sorry, guys. This is taking so long. All right. First.
Oh. I gotta get that.
Ah. All right. So first is why is this one? Let's open this one. Maybe this one.
Does it go to your phone and go to settings?
Oh my God! I got a rare. I only have one of these. These are rare. This one's rare. A rare one. It's Pez.
Oh, that's a rare?
Yeah, it's a rare thing. This is pink raspberries, like soap, I think, or something. This is a rare too. Stuck. I got another syrup. I think that's rare. Fresco. The cat's running around everywhere with that ball. Oh, these are all duplicates. These are all duplicates so far. I got more cupcakes. All right. There is one more for this ball, and then 6 more to go. Oh, dang it. I got a cart. I actually, for Christmas, I got even a bigger cart. I actually got a bigger cart for Christmas. That was the directions. I got like a bigger cart, and it's like metal and stuff, so I can put more food inside. All right, next.
see this thing because these are as good as the reviews say they are. They fit in my ear perfect. They're so comfortable and they are super packable.
Better than the other ones you had? Better than the other ones you had?
I've returned every pair.
Sorry, it's taking so long.
Horrible. These are so good. Thanks, guys.
This one might be a long video. Just basically opening up plastic. Like ASMR video. This is like an ASMR video. Alright, first one of this ball. Oh, we don't got this one yet.
You have to reset it on your phone.
I have two. This is my second one that I have of this, but this time I got a blue one. I don't have that, I don't think. Right? Oh my god, I wanted this one so bad I don't have it.
Sure, if you're
It's like bacon. Hold on.
the Walmart's closed today.
Daddy.
They have that. Yeah.
Look at the bacon I got.
Oh, that's the bacon we always get.
Yeah.
It's really
Oh my god, I wanted this one so bad. Thank you, Santa.
It's like $70.
Oh wait, no. Actually, Shen got me these ones. Thank you, Shen. A moon pie. I may have one flavor of these, or maybe not. Maybe I don't have that one yet. Oh, this is the second Twinkie box I have. And oh, I got turquoise color of wet ones, but now I got yellow ones. I don't have yellow ones yet. It's kind of new. And that's it for that ball. A million more layers of plastic to open up again. Oh. Ow. It hurt my teeth. Why does this keep coming up? It's gonna be a long video. I might not be able to do all of them. We'll see. We'll see what happens to life. I got a basket. Another one of these. I have so many of these. Jeez. Did it just pop out? Oh, I guess I already opened it. This one. Another one of these. I have a million of these. Chili. And is that it for this one?
Oh boy, Dominic. Dominic.
What? Wait, let me show them.
Be very careful because no case, okay?
Yeah. Hold on a
Oh
second.
my god, are you not excited about this?
No, I'm super excited. What the? Look at my iPad. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
I was like,
We got it hooked up to the internet.
I was actually thinking about how to
So,
do this. I was like, maybe Nicole will get me one. So funny.
There's
she's getting
Google.
so pissed at
It's
me.
not the icon.
I gotta go back to this
Okay.
video. But yes, I'm so excited about that. Real bacon pieces. Alright, one more for this ball.
Oh, maybe I'll get her
Dang.
out.
another of
Wine glasses.
the yellow ones.
Well, you can use them as
All right, now we're going into some
Where's he made on this?
series 2.
Wait, you can put other stuff and put those on them.
Last time in the video when I got my early Christmas present, I had 2 series 2 balls, okay, from Santa, and I only got 1 duplicate out of those 2 balls. So let's see what this one can do for us. These 2, and then 2 toy ones. Gee, that flew out of my hand.
Apple ID, so. I mean, it's something I already downloaded.
All right, first one is.
You were sniffing that mouse, weren't you?
I only have one of these. Stone stew, I think. Or chicken, actually. Oh, I only have one of these. I actually love these ones. It's a jar of pickles.
Oh my god. This is awesome, and it's the Lunchable you love, pepperoni pizza.
Yes!
Tray.
I got a Lunchable. Oh my god, yes. I wanted a Lunchable so bad.
So bad that was supposed to be so bad.
Another packet of bacon, but this is a different.
And public.
See the difference? I got this one this time.
You didn't have a good experience with that, see?
That's why I said, just forget it. I'm over it.
All right, last one for this ball, and then we have 3 more. 1 series 2 and 2 toys. I already actually opened 1 toy. Oh, I only have 1 of these.
Stop.
Hear that, guys? All right, last one. Last series 2, and then I can do the toy ones.
Alright, Google, YouTube. That's clear. I got Google and TikTok. YouTube? Regular YouTube?
Yeah.
Scott was helping me with this purchase.
Was the iPad?
Yeah. Because he knows everything about iPads, and I told him I found this one.
I know a lot on computers.
And he was like, "Yeah,
All right, first one
that's
for
not
this
bad."
ball is.
He's like, if you can find that, get that one.
Wait.
I can't believe it.
I found that cold. So I bought it online and then brought it back.
It
I
is.
don't know what the reason was, but like nobody had it.
No, I thought you got it at Costco.
I didn't have this one yet. It's a bag of
And
fries.
it was like,
It's a bag of fries, Mommy. Look at this. It's a bag of fries.
oh, nice.
This one, I already have this one. It's. Do I have this one? I don't know. Italian dressing.
Like, yeah, I've never in a million years.
Oh, wiggly tooth. Next, I have one of these. Macaroni and cheese. And I already have. I have one of these regulars and 2 of gold of these.
So sign up.
This one's like. Oh, because of that.
What?
What am I using? Continuous
It's Country Time Cool Pink Lemonade. Alright, so now we can do the toys. I got 2 toys.
Without the lid up. So it's like, you know,
We're hoping for the toy brand or the regular mini brand. We're hoping for one of those. Something like that. I want really the Nickelodeon Slime Blaster. That's cool.
No, I didn't. I was trying to just read what it said. I love it. And they're like, shut up! I absolutely did not do that.
Don, when's your birthday?
If I did make that face, it was only
You know
because
that.
I was
August 24th, 2013.
But I went with like Disney and.
Alright, somebody's calling at 8:30 in the morning. It's probably my dad. Yep. You gotta say Merry Christmas to Poppy.
Oh,
I know. I came on really
Hello.
literally.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Christmas. You opening up your presents?
You already
Yep.
opened them all.
No. Oh.
What did you get? Poppy's asking you.
Mini brands, Roblox stuff, candy, and Baby Yoda, magic sets, and stuff like that.
iPad,
iPad.
Wow, you made out pretty good.
karaoke machine, a studio creator.
Really?
Yep. It's got everything. Yeah. I did.
First of all, let's put names in
Alright, Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas!
Alright, Dad, yeah, I'm just trying to get his iPad set up and stuff.
All right.
Alright?
Sorry.
Yeah, bye. I put in his date of birth and I said, we'll create
First one.
and then it went to him.
Oh, it's I forget this movie. Blaze. Truck. Hot Wheels. That would be cool if there was Hot Wheels. I don't think there is. Adora doll. I'm a hula hoop, and I can do it with my finger. Hula hoop. Right. Oh, I opened 2 at once. Oh wait, no. That one I already opened. I got a rare one! I got an extra golden! Yes.
Alright, I'm doing 8/24/13.
You can't put personal information from this birthday.
Alright, next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Pets Alive doll thing. And that was it for that ball. And one more. Jeez, this video is long.
I don't even know my username.
One more.
What's his? He has
My username, N470375.
Yeah, because he wants to be able to upload it from his account.
You're the one that created an account.
Okay, well just cancel it. Undo.
All right, first one of this. Well, this is the last ball. The first one of the last ball. I only got one of these. I didn't open it on YouTube because I was still opening gifts, but I got one of these. Another Smasher balls. Oh, oopsie. Another cart. Dang it. All right. I have this one. It's, I forget, Ren Steffi. Why does this thing keep popping up? All right. I have one of these. 64 Crayola colors, crayons. I didn't get this one yet. It's a Fingerling.
57 in Clifton Park, it's only 50.
And
57.
what the? Oh, that's on the bottom. It's a little sticker. And that was it. So I hope you guys like Ton of Mini Exams, and bye. And Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays.